Hi, good afternoon, good morning, everyone. So I'm hoping and that everyone is gonna make money today. I wish everyone money today. So let's proceed. Daily time frame has not gone bullish at all. This is a risk. There is a huge possibility that price is just gonna reverse at any point in time and start pushing up. That is what's not what we pray for. Hello, Anne. How are you? So on the other hand, 4 hours looks pretty much very bearish. Looks so bearish, but then the question is, what is going to happen from here at this point that we have marked red? What is going to happen around the zone? We don't know. Okay, so if you had gotten in somewhere at this level, you will be in 59 pips profit by now. But then we are not 50 pips hunters anymore. We hunt for 100 plus pips. So let's proceed. Looking at 1 hour time frame, you're going to see something very interesting. A move, correction, a move, correction, a move, right? So what is going to happen next? Perhaps this move could extend to somewhere around this level and then push back. Okay, that is what I anticipate, because daily has not even moved one single pip of bullish. So there is a huge possibility that price will reverse and start moving this way. Okay, but then I'm not going to ignore what 4 hours is telling me. 4 hours is telling me that the trend is pretty much very bullish, very bearish. Okay, the same goes to 1 hour. 1 hour has broken the low of this consolidation here, right? This consolidation, the low has been broken, so there is huge chances that price will continue going down. Okay, but then something may happen here. I'm very particular around here. If you remember my analysis in the morning, I drew some sort of a red line here, that this is a place where price is just going to turn and keep going back. Okay, and of course, without doubt, you guys saw in my analysis in the morning, there was a swipe here and there was a swipe up here, and then there was another swipe here before price reversed. I could actually share that with everyone here. Okay, so let's see. Just if you want to see that, go to my Discord group. Let me quickly show that, share that here, just quickly. It's going to be very quick because we don't want to waste time. Okay, let's look at signals. Okay, I think I shared that on Telegram. This is why we need to move completely into Telegram. Okay, completely we need to shift from Telegram, but then I don't want us to do it overnight. It's just gonna be a gradual process. Okay, all right. Okay, let's see. We have about 4 minutes for volume to drop, for volume to come into the market. So look at the stuff I was talking about here. Look at it here. Okay, I gave a notice that price is going to push down, touch this particular level, which is 29,23498. Okay, go up to this level before 30127, and then push down to 29,870. So before anything happens, okay, if it breaks below here, then it's going down. If it doesn't break below here, it's going to just turn and start pushing up. So this is where we are now. You see, at this level, see, 2349 something. This is still 2349 something here, right? 2349 some. See, then price pushed to below 30127. See, so directly below 30127, and then price is pushing down again to kiss this level, just like I've shown in the picture, and then some other stuff may begin to happen. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen in the next less than 3 minutes when volume comes in. Then we can decide how we're going to react if anything happens. Okay, but this would have been a very nice entry, guys. This would have been a very nice entry with stop loss at 56 pips above here. By now, perhaps you must have moved your stop loss to break even for price to continue going down. That is if price is actually going to respect that. Okay, let's see. In less than 2 minutes, price is going to define the trend. What I think is going to happen here, guys, is maybe a price pushing back, you know, to right now I'm biasless. Just in case you've not noticed, I'm biasless. In as much as I'm giving you guys the plan, but at the moment I'm biasless because what we are here to trade is volume, right? So once volume comes in, price, there is a huge tendency that price will rise all the way to touch this trend line, and then for it to start moving down again to fulfill to retest some levels. Okay, so having clearly seen this level, let me show you. Having clearly seen this, that price has come into 70 to 88% retracement, Fibo retracement of this very nice long move here. So I'm going to remove this completely. Price is into that level, so we're anticipating magic to start happening now. Okay, so let's see. Do not forget, there is a huge possibility that we're not going to take any trade today. Do not forget, it's our way. If we see the opportunity, we grab it. If we don't see it, then we just hold on to whatever thing we are seeing. Okay, all right. We don't have much presence today. I don't know. I think I need to start some sort of YouTube marketing to get people into my stream. Okay, I love what I see. Yes, volume is coming in, but in the in reverse direction. Is it going to continue, or is something going to happen differently? Okay, in less than 16 seconds, we're going to understand what price is actually doing. So guys, I'm going to implore you guys to hang in right there. Okay, hang on right in there. So let's all set our lot sizes and ready your positions. Okay, set your lot size and ready your positions for us to begin. Okay, I love what I see. But I need to be sure that it is actually what I see. So I'm gonna allow 1 or 2 minute candles to close before I take any decision on what direction to take. Okay, give it time, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Give it time. So let's see. If price breaks above this candle, then I may decide to go for a buy. Okay, if price breaks above here, like if I see volume breaking above here, I'll decide to go for a buy, but with very tight stop loss. Okay, so if price breaks above this level, then we're going for a buy. Okay, with stop loss. Yes guys, I'm buying. For now I'm buying. I just got in. Let's see, with stop loss, very tight stop loss, because this could be a stop hunt. Okay, this could be some sort of stop hunt. So the stop loss is just going to be below here. If it goes, it goes. Just very small stop loss. Stop loss is very, very small actually. So let's see how it goes. How many pips is this? 104 pips. You can actually extend it to 280 pips. Okay, so if it breaks above here, that means it's just gonna keep pushing up. Aiwa, so it may just continue pushing up, guys. Price may just continue pushing up. So if it doesn't happen, if price hits our stop loss, fine, fair and fine, then we look for second trade. Okay, if you can see here, we have only 20 pips stop loss against 280 pips. Guys, where is this done? Is this not magic, guys? Okay, let's see how it goes. Is this not magic? Let's see how this turns out. Let's see. So guys, I will advise you, just to make sure you don't lose nothing, move this to break even, just in case this is a fake out. If this is some sort of a fake out, then we're gonna make sure that we don't lose nothing. Okay, kindly move your stop loss to break even so that you secure your positions. Okay, makes sense if we do that. It's gonna make sense if we can move our stop loss to break even. Okay, so that we are sure that we are not losing anything, just in case. Okay, so my trade already hit break even, so I'm gonna remove this. So obviously price intends to go down, and I love it so much. What we did now is called sniper entry. Just imagine that price continued moving up. It would have been some sort of, you know, advantaged trading. But then price could actually still go up, but I'm gonna you know, open another position if, you know, if price attempts to go up. Just hang on in there. If you still have a positions open, don't close it, just leave it to hit the break-even level. Okay, your break-even level. Okay, you're not losing anything, so just leave it to to hit your break-even level. So whatever is happening here, the break of this whatever, you know, if this is actually a ranging market, ranging couple of minutes, then the break of this ranging couple of minutes is going to be very profitable, trust me. Okay, that's beautiful. I got in for the second time to give it a second shot. I got in first, just in case you didn't get in before. This is an opportunity to get in. So let me just add something small here for those of us that didn't get in before, perhaps because they are scared. So this is it. Now your stop loss is now 49 pips. Okay, and your take profit remains at that level, 200 plus pips. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this here just to show you that the plan is still super active. This is lovely. For those of us that got in here, really big congrats to you if you got in here initially. For me, I declared to got in, but the moment I clicked, my price triggered somewhere here or somewhere here, I don't know, but it's fine. I mean, we face these kinds of disadvantages once in a while, right? So these are the things we get to lose for streaming. Guys, please, just a special request, feel free to make comments, you know, on the Discord channel, I mean Discord server, because it's actually a community, right? And feel free to invite anyone you see into that server, because that server is actually is for everyone. It's not just for me to talk about anything I want, any nonsense I want to talk about. It's for every single person in our life. So let's get them out there to talk about trading and share your experience, share your expertise. You know, a lot of us here, we are super fantastic traders, but for some reasons we are hiding, for some reasons that are best known to us. So just go ahead and start commenting in that Discord server, at least the general room. Go ahead and start commenting there. Try to talk about anything, any discussion or anything. So looking at 4 hours, the previous 4 hours high is broken, and at the same time previous 4 hours low is broken. High and lows are broken, so you guys to be super careful here. If you don't have stop loss in your trade, please go ahead and put a stop loss. It's very important. It is super important that you put a stop loss to avoid stories that touch. Okay, if you don't have stop loss on your trade, please add a stop loss now to avoid crying later. Okay, it's very important that you do that. The question is, what is price trying to do? Because there is already one swipe that actually cleared all these previous, since 2 p.m. Dubai time. One swap actually closed all this. So what is price trying to do? What is price trying to do? We don't know yet. So let's see. We're yet to find out. Okay, I think my stop loss got hit. I mean, because you don't forget, I couldn't get in here. I couldn't get in at this level, right? And then I got in here when price did this. It hit my break even because I don't want to lose anything in this. And then the second trade the stop loss got hit. Of course, it's a very small stop loss, so we're good. Let's just allow this to play out. Once this plays out, then we can take appropriate decision. Okay, let this 5 minutes close, then we can see what price is trying to do. We can have good visibility. Okay, so if you are in the initial position, your trade must have hit break even. It's fine, take it, take the low, take the hits. It's fine. At least you don't lose nothing, right? So wow, but this we actually moved 100 pips already. If we got in early, we must have hit 100 pips already. Man, this US30 is insane, guys. It's critically insane. He hit 106 pips already if we got in early. That's beautiful. That's very beautiful, guys. Okay, do not be in a hurry to make money. Just relax and money will come to you. Relax, it's just gonna come to you, So you see what's happening. Price is reversing because of this zone, right? So let me quickly allow 1 minute to close. If 1 minute closes above in this level, I'm gonna attempt again because I see a very nice opportunity in the upside. I see a super fantastic opportunity. And for those of us that actually got in here, you see your stop loss is still respected. Price is still, if you got in at this level, then if you got in at this level that we have given before, this was your stop loss, right? Somewhere 19 pips, somewhere here. Then this was the entry. Yeah, somewhere here, right? The stop loss, this was your stop loss. See, it's still respected. That's pretty much very beautiful. I love that. But do not forget, don't open any position now until we recommend that. See what price is doing. Now, guys, I'm selling. So this is my final position for the day. Okay, so and here is, I just opened the position. So if it goes against me, fine, I call it a day. I'm not going to open another position again. Okay, if it goes against me, I'm out. I made my noise today already, so I'm not worried about anything. So this is the level we are looking for price to touch. Really, if I had gotten in here, perhaps I would have closed my positions now and I would have left my shot. If I got in here, perhaps 100 pips, man, that's magical. That's kind of magical. Let's see, is price gonna come here? 300 pips, guys. I don't think his price is coming back. Price is actually respecting this level. So if it breaks above, I'm going to close my position. If it breaks above there, I'm going to close my position. Okay, I'm ready. to close my positions. So if it breaks above, I clap it. Man, it's actually surprising how these things just move, you know. If it breaks above this level, I'm gonna close out my sell. Okay, this level seems to be a very important level. So if price breaks above there, I will clap my positions immediately. But if it doesn't, then I'm gonna... What does this tell you? This tells you that price actually broke this level to hunt for stops around here, right? To hunt for stops, people that have placed their stops around here. To even it broke above here as well, right? So if this is not a stop hunt, then we are clapped. If it happens to be a stop hunt, then we make a lot of money. So it's breaking above, guys, so I don't want to lose anything. So I'm done for today, but I'm gonna be here to call a trade. I'm gonna be here to call a shot if I see any shot. Okay, for now you just have to cool down. For now you just have to cool down. Cool down, cooler. Let's get some good nice setups. Okay, set up a condition and respect that condition. Okay, hey, what's up? It's been long, Bondaddy. Good to have you. What I'm doing now, set up a condition and respect the condition. If the condition is not met, fantastic. If it's met, clap anything you want to clap. If you are clapping with profits, you clap with profits. If you are clapping with loss, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for price to break above here. If I see price break above this level, that's when I'm gonna call another shot. If I see the break below this level, that's when I'm gonna call another shot. Anything inside here is a no-no for me. Okay, so that is another condition. You have to understand how price works for you to create your own conditions and follow it accordingly, right? So that is what I'm doing, man. This from here to here is actually a lot. But then we have to let it go, right? So okay, so let's see. Nice. See, this is all consolidation, right? So you just have to let it finish, then you can proceed with whatever thing you want to do. Let this whole nice finish. It's just nice, beautiful. I like what I see, but then it's not happening. Let's see. I don't normally want to do this, but let's see what Nas did. Okay, don't worry, I have my other screen. I'm looking at what is happening there. Nas actually did this 730. So how many pips do we have here? How many pips? See, just the same bullshit move. Moving to US30 was actually a very nice decision for me, I would say. Whoa, beautiful. Yes, I love what I see. Beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. What do you think? For me, I think it's beautiful. I like what I see on the US30. This is actually why I'm saying beautiful. What I want to see is for price to break above here. Then I'm going to take an entry, okay? This is what I'm waiting for now. Seriously, this is what I'm seriously waiting for. One price to break above, then I'm gonna take a trade. This would have been a perfect entry. Entry above here would have been some sort of perfect entry, right? But we've got a condition. We have to respect a condition, okay? Because this might actually be a double top, right? This might be a double top forming. You never can tell what actually is gonna happen. This might be a double top, and if it's a double top, you're not gonna like to, you know, get in and get stopped out again, you know, even when you are right. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So our target now is, our target just changed, is 160, 170, 174 pips. Okay, let's look to the, oh, there's a lot of noise around here. Oh god, it's not gonna be a straight path, but then we are gonna attempt. Let's see, we're gonna attempt, make a nice fantastic attempt, right? Let's see. So if this candle closes into this zone, then we're gonna take a position. Okay, if it closes into this zone, right, we're gonna take a position. So let's see, everybody just be at alert. So how's it gonna be? How is it gonna be? What's gonna happen here today? We absolutely have no idea. We don't have any idea whether we're getting clapped today. Of course, guys, every day is not tradable. You guys should know this by now. Every day is not tradable. We have days that we just come, waste our time and move on. Okay. Do not forget, I had a red flag here, right? So if price breaks into that zone, which is why we have our buy, then it's gonna be up. If we're just gonna keep quiet, if price gets into this red zone here, right, then we can actually consider a sell. I know we have some obstacle here, but then it's not preventing me from taking my decision. Anything that's gonna be is gonna be. I'm just looking at the key levels, because this is previous. This is low. Let's just zoom out a little bit so I can see. See, this is a very important area. Price jumping up, coming down to retest this level, right? So it means that price most likely will continue going up. Most likely will continue going up. So at this point in time, if there's something I've decided now, I've chosen a bias now, right? My bias right now is up. So I suggest you have that same bias with me. If you want a practical, some sort of a more practical demonstration, it's going to be having this around here, right? And using 61% Fibo level as our, I would say, as our confirmation, and it's happened beautifully, so beautiful. So there's nothing else preventing us from taking a buy, but then you just have to wait for the final confirmation, which is the break of above these highs. Boom! It's gonna be, very like fast. The way I see, seems pretty much that it's gonna be so fast. So just be ready to open and close. Be ready to scalp because it's gonna be super fast. We can decide to get just 100 pips and go. Be ready, everyone. Be ready. Yeah, exactly, Anna. I think upwards, no more sales today. Even if price like draws all the way down, guys, unless it meets my criteria, that is when I can sell. If it doesn't meet my criteria, sales is not recommended at all. Mostly because daily, you can see this very beautiful week. Daily is beginning to do what it should have done since morning. And guess what? This is going to be so beautiful because if daily breaks above here, right? If it breaks above here, there is a huge possibility that daily is going to at least come to 307.49 today. There is a huge possibility that this is going to happen. Trust me. It makes sense if it happens anyway, because there's no other thing to think about right now. This is just the only thing to think about, the only thing that makes sense, I would say. Let me leave this at 1 hour to see how. Should I use 30 minutes? Yeah, makes sense. Let me leave it at 30 minutes to see how it's reacting. Don't worry, I'm looking at the chart from my other screen. I just want to see the feel from 30 minutes. But this alone would have been enough for us. Let me just don't 1 minute to show you guys something. This alone, but then you never can tell what price is actually about to do. If we had gotten in from here, right, with 30 pips stop loss, this would have been huge for us. But then I don't like getting in anymore at this night, like intense sniper positions, like sniper levels, right? I want to get some element of confirmation, of which if I had chosen this, held strong onto this position, maybe I may have been clapped by now. See, because looking at this, let's see, our stop loss would have been here, right, or slightly below. So you see, it came and did some sort of stop hunting, Price came all the way here to stop hunt, and then it reversed. But then it's nothing for me. I mean, it's all good. It's part of the plan, right? So guys, I think price is just moving up. Anything happening now, if it's not up, then I'm just gonna close the chat and leave. I don't want anything that will give me headache or complicate my life. I hate that. At this point, I'm just looking for buys. If price begins to sell, I will end the stream and go. I'm not taking any sales today anymore. Yeah, there is a huge possibility that this is actually consolidating for price to continue going down, blah blah blah. Yes, it's possible, but then I've decided on what I want to do with my money, right? It's my money, it's my stream, so whatever I want, I do there. As long as I don't deceive people, right? So it makes sense to do whatever I want. Five minutes, what does it look like? It's looking not good. 5 minutes is not looking good, guys. Guys, are you observing this? Are you observing this? Exactly. Are you observing that? Are you observing what's happening there? It's a very deadly stuff there. What is happening here is very deadly. Really, if price continues to go down, I'm going to just leave the stream. That's the best thing to do, right? So, okay, guys, it seems pretty much that today is not my day. It's pretty much today is not my day, okay? Like I said, I'm not going to take sales today, even if price is driving to the moon, guys. But I'm going to recommend for you, okay? I'm going to recommend for you in the sense that you could actually do something. You could actually do something. Now, price is in that zone, okay? So, entry below here, but you have to wait for next. You have to wait for next candle to form, okay? Now your entry is below here now, okay? But then, guys, it's risky because you don't have any defined stop loss. See, don't have any defined stop loss. Okay, I think if this happens, if this reverses now, then this is gonna be your stop loss, 55 pips. So, excuse me. So if this is you, you can take the trade. If this is you, if you can deal with it, okay? If this is you, you can take the trade for sure. If this is you, you can take the trade, okay? For me, I'm done for the day. Let me give you guys the points before I leave the stream, okay? These are the points I'm looking at, okay? These are the points I'm looking at. That's it for me. So I got clapped a lot today. If you understand what I mean by clapping, I got clapped a lot today, like stopped out during the streaming. This is actually why I minimized the way I stream, because during streaming I don't tend to focus a lot. Woohoo! Look at gold, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. So damn it. This is beautiful, man. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Damn. It's okay. Okay. Let's see. Euro USD. And what is this level? Oh, that's beautiful. German index playing accordingly. NAS playing. Okay, so your position has been triggered, guys. So your stop loss is 56 pips. I'm not taking this trade. I'm supposed to be offline now, but I just want to see how this plays out. I just want to see how this plays out, but I don't think it's going to play out fine. I don't know. I don't think it's going to play out fine. Why do I think so? I think so because of this. Because of this, let me show you. So if you're in this trade, make sure you're not risking your all, okay? So unless this level gets broken, that is why you're going to be confident in this position. Otherwise, it's risky for you. So guys, so this is gonna be it from me today. If you have not gotten into any sell, I think you should just save your money and come back tomorrow, because price is actually deceiving us here. Looking at 1 hour, how can this go and break all these levels above, right? After breaking and clapping everybody here, it's moving down. I mean, like this. I think, I don't know what it's trying to do. It's trying to achieve by making these fake moves. But then it makes sense if I stay away today. I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm not taking any more positions today, okay? So I bet I'm not, if you're expecting maybe, oh, I'm gonna send signal later. No, I'm just staying away from this chart completely. Okay, because these moves are the moves that hurt the most. You're gonna be assuming that it's gonna move up and then suddenly it's moving down. So you're just clapping you here and there, here and there. But good for me, I have very nice risk management. So you saw the way I'm risking, right? I risked 19 pips and I aimed for 170 pips. In the morning, I got stopped at 29 pips, but at the end, I gained total of 170, 178. Okay, yeah, 178. With if you take away my loss, which is 29 pips from there, then you're going to see that I still made a total gain of 149 pips. So that is the kind of positions I want to take these days. For me, 50 pips is too much, I would say. Too much, but then it looks like price is going down, but then I'm not going to wait for this to play. If this plays out, if I log in with my phone and I see that it's played out, then I'm going to share the update on the Discord server. Okay, all right, everyone, thank you very much for joining me today. I got to go. Okay, all right, guys, take care. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. And I really wish everyone